Hey there, welcome to geocaching. Today I'm back in the creek by my house going for some carp. It's a beautiful little creek. I'm not going to disclose any names, but it is in my town. If you can guess by the background here or what it looks like, you can tell what it is. Alright. Today I'm using some PVA bags with some ground bait, a mixture of boilies and pop-ups. Right now I got a Munch Baits pink fruit pop-up, or no, so pink fruit boilie, and then my next option is a Munch Baits cream seed pop-up. So far I've been here for about 10 minutes total, and I haven't gotten any bites yet. That's okay. I don't plan on getting anything right away, but I do intend to catch something. I'm going to be here pretty well all day. It's just after 2 p.m. I'm going to be fishing probably till about midnight. It's a good chance. I got some mosquito repellent and my new thermosol, so hopefully that works. I'll get some fish on the bank for you. Ooh. Nice. My drag is a little looser than normal, but this does feel pretty good. Yeah, it only took about 50 minutes to get the first bite, but that's okay. I'm here for 10 hours, that's possible 10 fish. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not a 20 pounder, but I think it's even below 10. Well, that's all right. I'm just here for fish, not monsters. Oh. Well, that's very unfortunate. That's all right. I got my gear there, so I'll get another one back on. Now, I like to use a PVA bag, but I'm lazy, so I do loop to loop. Very simple. Once you already have these pre-tied, that is. Now it's cast out. Now essentially I want to be anywhere between middle and left. I can't go too far right. Not sure if you can see it, but people who aren't great at casting have their line snagged all over that wire up there. So you got to be careful where you cast. Like I said, I can go just right of center, between right center and left. Don't want to go too far left because there are snags in the area. That's beauty. That is beauty. Give these PVA bags from Wish a moment to melt before I start hauling back in towards my pod. That should be good. I don't want to wait too long. Might get a bite in my hand. Relax. Took almost exactly 50 minutes to get my last bite, so let's see what it does this time. Oh well. Oh, son of a bitch. Shit, that was a strong take. Fudgio. Fudgio. I guess I'm gonna make up a couple more bags with that rig. There are these pop-ups. First take with that type of hook pattern or rig pattern. The ring swivel, no hair. It's nice. Well, I've been here about 2 hours and I haven't landed one fish. I've had 2 runs. Both of them came off the hook. As you saw, one came off at the net, and the other one came off not long after I tried to set the hook. That was unfortunate. Still got quite a few hours left before I head home, so I'm gonna stick it out because I know no matter what, if I leave my bait out there, eventually it will get eaten. That's just the nature of carp and catfish around here. They'll find it and they'll eat it. One thing I can say about fishing down here, I love the sound of the birds. Well, I had managed myself to finally get a fish. Just a 21 3/4 little carp. Beautiful little guy, but even after he was landed, he still had a lot of energy. It was quite strange. But yeah, got all my gear set up still. Still have quite a few hours left before I go. Mind you, I could go at any time, but my goal is, or my plan was to stay for a while, so might as well stay for a while. Hopefully get on some bigger fish, but one is better than none. 3 runs and 1 landed is not a good ratio, but I'll take it because, well, who's gonna complain about that? Not this guy. Okay. Oh, get filled from there. Yeah. Alright. Free from those snags. Feels like a much better fish. Obviously there's some weeds over there. And you're, again, getting better. Yeah. Okay. I don't really think you're any longer. Oh, look at all that. What the hell? What the hell, dude? Sucks. I need some new hooks. Oh, that's a well-deserved splash, pal. Thank you. What is up with those god dang hooks? Not to try and barbless. See if that does any difference. I'm guessing not, because I don't know. I've had lots of fish not bleed, so I don't get it. But alright, welcome back to geocaching part 2. first session was very slow. I only caught 2 fish. That was in the first 2 hours. And the other 7 hours was, well, I had one liner or one run, but dropped the bait, nothing. I was going to say till midnight, but I packed it up at 10:30 because I was bored of just sitting there. I've never gone that long without a bite. It wasn't that fun, but so I'm back on the same bank, going for more. Same PVA bag. This time I might be using some of my homemade flavoring, which is just syrup and strawberry flavor. Works good. I've used pineapple and it works well to combat spending money on the Kiana goo, which does work, but so does homemade stuff. Also, so does just plain old bag full of goodness. So, slight change in my setup. I just don't have the 4-rod spreader bar across, so let's get out there. I would have liked a little further out and a little further to the right, but that's okay. Anywhere over there is perfectly fine. I don't have to wait long to get my rod set up. Oh. And we're off to the races. $126. I went slow getting ready. I was here at 1 o'clock, but c'est la vie. The little bullhead. Well, this one doesn't have a big belly like they usually do. All right. I'm gonna have to put another one back on. Oh, Lodge. That was, I'm guessing because I waited and waited. Shit. All right. This feels like a pretty good one. That's not horrible. Drag isn't extremely tight, but I don't want it to be. It's also not as loose as it was earlier. Okay. Looks like a good one. Why aren't you fighting much anymore? What's going on, pal? Oh, there we go. Something's weird with this. Not bad. You're not bad. Oh. Well, should have had that out first. Just in the bottom lip. Nice. You're bigger. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's just do this way. Nose there, 25. Beautiful guy though. Let's get you back in. There you go. Okay, let's go for another one. Perfect. And wait. Well, thank you for joining me. It was a successful day. Got one carp. That's fine by me. It's worth coming out for. It was fun. Better than being at home doing nothing. So, I'm gonna go get some Popeyes. Call it a day. Catch you later.